Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Carla.
I'm Daniel.
And we are Hoovers on the Move.
Yeah.
And we are here at Days Inn. What is this? Days Inn and Suites
Yes.
on the Seawall Boulevard. And waking up because guess what time it is?
Today is cruise day.
So excited.
We interrupt this program to bring you an important announcement.
Hi, we made it.
We finally made it to the cruise terminal.
We finally made it.
Now, which terminal are we in?
We are in Terminal 2 and getting ready to get all checked in. And we ended up having to take an Uber. The shuttle service didn't work out for us.
It is a little after 12 now.
Yep.
And it looks like
Look.
hardly anybody out here.
There's like nobody
At
here.
all.
So,
They're just out here like us, hanging out.
yeah.
Huh.
There's like nobody in line. Look at this. No backups, no nothing.
Nope.
I love this.
Yeah.
I love coming when the princess is here.
We're usually, one of the first ones to try and get down to the port and get on the ship and
Yeah.
everything. And this morning we just kind of took it easy. We had a little problem with the shuttle and stuff.
Yep.
Which we could talk more about that later if y'all want to.
Leave a comment down below.
Yeah. But anyway, so we have made it here and we are fixing to go through security and all the
Yes.
checks and the x-ray and all that stuff.
So.
And get on board. So just stick around. We'll be right back. All right. Well, we've made it through all the metal
X-rays.
detectors and x-rays, and I was strip searched, and
That's great.
they always get me every time. Yeah. Said, nope, take off your belt. Nope, those steel-toed boots. So, nevertheless, now we're gonna go check in, and we're going to Green Lane because we have medallion. We'll be back. Let's see. So now we've been through the secondary. So we are now taking the escalators up to the second floor, and that is where we will actually be getting on the ship. So we're running so late today, pretty good chance our room's already going to be ready by the time we get on there.
And get down with mustard.
So we've had some delays. All right, stick around. And they did greet us with some flavored water that they had out there that was prepared. Let's see, we had the citrus and we had the cucumber, and then
Just regular water.
just regular water. Regular, just plain old. Hey, what was that?
What? Oh my god.
You said we're literally what?
And we're literally stepping right on the ship. It's so awesome.
Going straight in. There was no sitting nowhere, waiting in no line. We got people already all up in their balconies up there. I mean, everybody's ready to go.
You already have the rooms ready.
Let's do this. That is her, Regal Princess. Ready to set sail, ready to go with it. Here we go with our clippity-clop, fixing to get on the ship. Welcome aboard, Medallion class. Here we go. Bump. We're there.
All right, we have made it to our room, and I want to do a little room tour for you. Our room is A412. This is an interior, and it's set up a little differently. It's kind of like a sideways interior. So I'm interested to show this to you and see what you guys think. So you'll have to leave me some comments down below. So when we get here to the door, remember our medallions automatically read us. So it has my face there and our names there and the green light for us to come in. And see, this is the difference. You come straight in the door and look at this. The bed is to the right just like that. And then your light switches are right here, and they do require a key card to keep them on, so they just keep this in there. And we got some artwork on the wall, very beachy scene. And the nightstand, there is no USB over here, but there's lots of storage. 2 drawers, a little cubby, lights right there to turn on and off your lights in the room. This is a room that they can split these beds in half and put a twin on each side, and then the nightstands would actually go in the middle, or you can put them together to make a queen. When you turn to the left, we have our desk, and I like that TV. That is awesome.
That's pretty good size for this little room.
I'm gonna watch me some Love Boat on there. We have some oh, in this drawer, look at that. We have the hair dryer. We have some glasses. We have some more storage right there. Right here, we're gonna have that little cooler. You know, it stays cool, not refrigerated. Got a telephone and a plug right there, and then we have a plug right here, but so far absolutely new USBs. Those are our paperwork, trash can, cute little chair, big nice mirror, so you could sit here and actually do your makeup if you needed to while he's taking a shower. And then the full-length mirror. Hello. So that way you can take a look at yourself before you decide to hit the pool. Some shelves. Right by the big mirror is where your temperature gauge is. So yes, we have turned it all the way down. Let me get these lights to cut on. They are automatic. And then you have first cubby, no doors. Lots and lots of hangers. Our life jackets. This is set up for just 2 people. So we have 2 life jackets. Look, and you turn this way and you have some long shelves there to be able to put up your folded things. And then in here, some more shelves and your safe. Now it is not big enough for a laptop, guys, but, and they don't like to stay closed. Just saying. That was loud. Then this is the bathroom. Now this is a little smaller than our last one, but it's kind of cute. Little caddy corner. Nice big sink. We get the Lotus Spa lotion and hand wash. A couple of glasses there. Some snack shelves. Some shelves to store your stuff for the bathroom. Little trash can down below. There's some storage right there too. So that's good. Toiletry, towels. And then the shower. And it even has a little stool in here for you to be able, ladies, to shave. Now this is the curtain action. So we shall see how this works for us. It does have the bathing suit line to dry your stuff on. So, oh, on the back of the door, I did not see that. Look, there is some hooks. And a hook right there on the wall. I missed those. So with that, we will let you know what we think about this room at the end of our trip.
Apparently, if you're inside, even though we're here at port, you have no cellular internet.
No. Guys, all right, looky here. We're watching our safety video. We got proof.
Check this out. We're Texas born. Bam.
That
there
is
it
a
is.
beautiful flag.
That is awesome. That is huge. Welcome aboard everywhere. Cute little chandelier going on up there. Kind of psychedelic.
It's beautiful.
Those actually, I don't know if you can even see that. That's all stingrays in there. Then over there.
The stingrays down the glass stairs. It's beautiful. Or not glass. These are marble stairs. Did you see them? Look down here. There's like water features down here.
Yeah.
With water in them.
Little running water. Like a little running brook or something. Pretty cool.
Right now we're on
1, 2, 3
deck
levels.
7. So this is where we decided to have lunch today, huh, honey?
Alfredo'S. Sevilla.
We're gonna try out some yummy goodness from here. We've never eaten here before. So.
Yeah, included in our package, we have 3 choices. You have your appetizer, you have your main course, and then, of course, you have your desserts. So, we're still working on that one.
We were hungry, but I'm not sure we were that hungry. But that's okay. It's okay.
Wish us luck.
We got this.
Okay, well, we got our appetizers out here. This is some type of minestrone little liver, and this is some type of clump cheese, mozzarella. Yes,
It's mozzarella.
Yes, mozzarella cheese with some tomato
Basil
and
and
all kinds of stuff going on.
yeah,
over
there's
there.
some accompaniment going on in there. I'm really excited.
It's colorful. It's pretty. So we'll let you know how this turns out.
My dinner
Here.
came.
Just in time.
Beautiful.
Ooh,
Love it.
Extra shrimp.
Thank you.
sweet.
Take a look at this, guys. You guys are gonna freak out. Look at this.
The shrimp and mussels.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And that's a big old pizza. That's me and Daddy worth. Look at this.
Individual.
I got some eggplant pasta.
This would be 4 of me.
So, we are going to enjoy some yummy goodness.
I'm a great group of people, but we're going to start this party off the right way. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Regal Princess Singers and Dancers!
What is this on deck 7?
Are we supposed to be here? I don't think we're supposed to be here.
There's like emergency lights. But the gate was open.
I never showed you this. It's behind the scenes.
The gate was open.
It was open. I didn't see nothing that told me I couldn't go back here.
Oh my
Say
God.
hi to the people.
Oh my God.
You never saw us. We were never here. We are cranking up. There it is. Love boat.
We're leaving. See you guys in a week. That boat's pulling us.
We're leaving the docks. It's time to set sail for the next 7 days. Caribbean style. Look at all the seagulls and pelicans out there. They're saying, it is time to eat. They got the buffet served up right now. Limited time only. We're gonna be out of here in no time. Had a dolphin over there. I don't know if he's still playing over there, but he was out there playing around. He might move in closer, seeing all this buffet stuff going on. Got all this sushi going on over here. We can get some of that sushi.
We have a tugboat pulling us, helping pull us away from the dock.
Probably have one on the other end too.
That is super cool. I've never seen them do that.
We never sat back here and watched the tugboats pull us out. Now they got us in the middle of the channel, and they're reeling it in to let us loose. You can tell our engines are already cranked up. We're ready to go. Our port is over there. We were over there just a minute ago. Now we're over here.
Oh!
There goes the rest of the line. We gotta make sure that line doesn't get underneath the boat and get in their engine. Say bye! Look, there's the harmony of the seas. Y'all wave at them now. Yeah. Everybody watching us passing by. Yeah. That's pretty nice.
Good morning.
Are we fogged up?
No.
No? Okay. My eyes are fogged up, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Aha. Okay.
So we ready?
Yep.
All right.
Hi, we made it. We're here at the...
Finally made it to the cruise terminal.
Okay, we're gonna have to back up. Wait, there we go.
Yeah.
Hi, we made it.
Stick around. We'll be right back. But we got to do the mustard. But we got to do the mustard. Mustard, mustard, mustard. Normal water. Nobody drinks normal water anymore. And look, your husband's already been delivered to the room.
We will let you know what we think about this room at the end of our trip.
Apparently, if you're inside, even though we're here at port, you have no cellular internet.
No.
None. Shh. The metal here is just cut
Knocked it out.
off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry. You have to
Cut it out.
Okay, guys. Well, we gotta go get our muster done and go find us some lunch.
Hot dogs!
Let's get ready to go.
Eater done.